What's up guys, this is ADG here. Welcome to our first tutorial video. So let's roll the intro first.
I get up, no, no, I get up, no, can't deny it. I get up, no, I get up.
So guys, do comment below how did you like the intro. So without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching how I get the Dreamy effect or the Orton effect in my photos. So here is the photo I've already loaded in Photoshop. It's clicked by me and I shot it in, I guess, in our last Kalimpong trip. So hit Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. So then go to filters and go to blurs and hit Gaussian blur. I generally like to keep it around 20 because my camera is around 18 megapixels. You can play with the slider according to your needs. You can see the results. I will keep it around 20. So hit OK. So now go to image, adjustments, brightness and contrast, and play with the brightness. I generally like to keep it around 20-ish, 20 to 25 around. And the contrast around 70 to 75. Let's focus on between this one. So hit OK. So now you can already see that it's all good. So now let's lower down the opacity to around 20. Within 15 to 20 I will like to keep it. For this one I'm going to 20. So let's zoom in and see what's happening. So with the layer turned off, you can see the harsh lines to the sky and the mountain that will not blend in, but with the layer on you can see the difference really clearly. What's the difference in these pictures? So that's it for today guys. This is the final image. I hope you like this quick tutorial. Stay tuned for the next uploads. So thank you for watching this video guys. I hope you like this quick tutorial. So like, comment, share and do subscribe. And if you have subscribed then hit the bell icon there. So guys, thanks for watching. This is ADG signing off.